Etsy has a lot of features and tools built in that you can use to grow and improve your business. But there's a lot of things that we don't take advantage of as Etsy sellers. Today, I want to talk about 5 underutilized Etsy features you guys can use to significantly improve and grow your business. Let's go. Hey everyone, what is going on? Welcome back to the Handmade and Beyond podcast. I'm your host, LL. Glad to be back with you guys, hanging out, talking about all things Etsy, helping you guys grow your business. Hopefully you guys are doing awesome today. I have a solid episode for you. I want to talk about some underutilized Etsy features that you guys can hop into your shops and your dashboards today, implement, start using these things, and just some of these you may already use. Some of them you may not, so I want to make sure to point out the things that maybe you don't even know are there, because with any online platform, there's going to be updates, changes, new integrations, new features constantly to help you guys out. A lot of people, well, I don't want to say a lot of people, but some people get frustrated or they don't like change, they don't like new stuff, but with using a platform, you doing online business, there's going to constantly be changes and updates. So you guys got to always be ready, be prepared to take advantage of the things that are implemented. Some may be good, some may be bad, some you may like, some you may not. But either way, it's going to keep coming. So you got to get used to it. So here are the top 5 underutilized Etsy features that I see a lot of people not even using. And it comes down to probably a lot of you guys don't even know that they're there. If you do, good, give yourself a pat on the back. You get a gold star for today's episode. The first one is in the Etsy Messenger, you can do message templates. So message templates are preset templates where you can have it say specific things, and then instead of retyping out an entire message to someone asking a question or a potential buyer, they're preset in there. And you want to do message templates for common questions that you guys get. So it's as simple as going in, hitting the message template, and hitting send. Boom, in a couple of seconds, you can send out that message where you're not having to sit down, waste time, and type out an entire message. So the common ones that I have, the message templates that I use are such as like returns. If someone wants to return something, I have my return address and my default message in there. Or if someone wants to exchange something, I have one for that. So those are probably the most common ones. I also have one for custom orders because I don't usually do custom orders. I get a lot of people asking me to do a custom design or whatever, and I don't do it. Just it's super time consuming for me to do one-off designs. So I have a message template in there. If something comes up, like there was during COVID, there was a lot of shipping delays and things like that. So I did a message template because I was getting a lot of questions about shipping delays. So you may want to do message templates for the common questions that you guys get. It just really comes down to efficiency and time savings to take advantage of that. The next one is along the same lines is a message auto reply. So Etsy allows you to do message auto replies. You have 2 options. You can do a temporary auto reply, or you can do a weekly auto reply. The weekly one's pretty cool because you can set up your entire schedule of auto reply time frames. So say you work in your business from 8 to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, you can have it set up an auto reply message from say 5:01 p.m. to 7:59 a.m. Monday through Friday, and then all day Saturday and Sunday if you don't work in your business. So if you have specific business hours where you're able to reply to messages, you can have a weekly auto reply set up saying, basically, I'll get to you as soon as possible. This is after our normal business hours. So that's pretty cool. The temporary auto reply is maybe if you go on vacation or you're going to be away for a couple of days, whatever the case may be, you can have that temporary auto reply and it's on all the time. And it'll just send out that auto reply when people send you a message. So those are 2 options. Again, to add a customer service element if you're not able to reply fast, because you want to make sure that you can reply to customers fast as possible. If they're sending you a question, 99.9% of the time, if you reply to an interested buyer with the answer to their question, they're going to buy from you. If you wait and don't answer it right away, or they don't get a message right away, they're going to go and buy it from somewhere else. So at a minimum, have an auto reply set up so they're getting some type of message from you showing that you're engaged, that you care, You just can't reply right then and there. So those are two great features to implement if you're not already doing it. Number 3 is the bulk edit feature within Etsy, your Etsy listings tab. This is super nice. You can bulk edit a bunch of listings at one time. You can bulk edit titles, descriptions, prices, personalization, shipping profiles. So a lot, back in the day, you couldn't do bulk edits. You had to use a third party to do bulk edits. Now they let you bulk edit almost everything. So it's really nice. They'll do it in a list. So say you want to bulk edit titles, they'll do a list form. You can go and see all your titles and make the changes all at once. Down the line, and like boom, 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 boom. Descriptions are nice. You can add text before. So if you want to do like a shipping deadline around Christmas time or a generalized message, you could add that at the very beginning of all of your descriptions. And then at the end, take it out, because you can, if you have the exact phrase, you can then delete it from all your descriptions. So that's a cool function to be able to bulk edit those things. So again, efficiency, saving time, doing things quicker. So you're not wasting time. You can spend more time on the things that actually matter. So that's a great feature, the bulk edit feature, that maybe you didn't know about it. The next one, number 4, is going to be the search analytics tab. Inside the marketing tab, there's a search and analytics option in there at the very top. And this is something that probably a lot of you guys haven't even seen. The search analytics tab kind of gives you a high level overview of some stats in regard to your keywords. So you can see, actual keyword, like all your keywords in there, and what kind of traffic they're bringing in. You can see their conversion rate. You can see the average order value. You can see the visits, impressions, which are just those keywords showing up. That doesn't mean people click on them. The impressions just means it showed up in search somewhere. So that's an impression. But yeah, at a high level, you can see kind of, okay, how many listings have this keyword? Is this keyword bringing in traffic? Maybe you have a couple of keywords that are bringing in a lot of traffic, and you can apply that keyword to more listings. So yeah, this just gives you really good insight that maybe you can use to your advantage. Again, knowledge is power. I always say it. So why not use this stuff to your advantage? And you can get this information quickly in the search analytics tab. All right, and that brings us to number 5. This is inside Etsy ads. If you guys are running Etsy ads, you can click into specific listings that are being run and see relevant keywords. So you click on the actual advertised listing, then you'll see beneath it a relevant listings button. You click that and it'll expand out all of the relevant keywords. I said relevant listings. It'll say relevant keywords button, and it'll expand out all the relevant keywords that are being basically used for this ad. The nice thing about this is you can look at all these keywords that the algorithm is using and see, are they all relevant? Sometimes it'll populate a keyword in there that's not relevant to your listing at all. Do we want to spend money advertising and targeting that keyword? Absolutely not. So you can, to the right, you can toggle that relevant keyword off. So it is not pulling your money, your budget. The algorithm is not focused on it. So for the most part, it does a good job with relevant keywords. But again, there are going to be some outliers in there, and you want to absolutely turn them off. You don't want to waste money. Advertising is already expensive. You don't want to waste money on non-relevant keywords, because then people are going to be attracted to your listing that aren't absolutely not going to buy. So turn those listings off. And then you can also see in there how many views and clicks your relevant keywords are bringing in too. So maybe you're getting a lot of views and clicks on relevant keywords that you can apply to other listings. Again, kind of like the search analytics tab. That information you can use to your advantage. Think how you can be strategic with what you're learning from this information inside the relevant keywords tab. So use that if you're doing Etsy ads. It's going to be really invaluable for you to further optimize the performance. All right, that was 5. I have a bonus number 6 for you guys. I like to give you a little bit of extra. So number 6 is packing slips. Did you know you can customize your packing slips? So when you go to ship something out, it'll populate, obviously do your shipping label, and then it'll give you the option to do a packing slip. You can hit the customize button. It'll pop up, and there'll be several things that you can customize, on the packing slip. You can customize the message that's being sent with it. You can add a coupon code, which I strongly suggest you do, so they come back and buy from you. You want as many repeat buyers as possible, but I like to customize the message that they're being sent on top of the packing slip. And so basically, you just say you would a good message would be a thank you. We really appreciate your business. If there's any issues at all with your order, please reach out to us first before leaving a review. If you're satisfied and completely happy with your order, we'd really appreciate a 5-star review. So it's twofold, right? It's customer service, thanking them, showing your appreciation, and 2, basically get in front of any problems that may occur, because the worst thing that could happen is a bad review. We've all gotten, or most of us have gotten bad reviews. If you haven't gotten one, you're gonna get one. It's only a matter of time. But this is one way to kind of hopefully help stop it before it happens, so to give you a chance to fix the issue so they don't leave a bad review. Most issues, 95% of issues, you can fix and make the customer happy. There's always going to be those select few customers that just hate everyone and hate everything and just want to watch the world burn, right? And they're going to leave a bad review no matter what. It is what it is. There's nothing you can do about that. You can't worry about it. You can't change it. You can't control it. Just focus on the people that you can control, because those bad reviews will come, but they're going to be very few and far between if you're doing the right things. And the packing slip is a great way to show your appreciation and prevent bad reviews. Also give them a coupon code. So I would highly suggest you guys go in there and customize it. I know some people include stuff with their packages. They have they have a card, they have extra stuff that they add in there, and that's fine. But I think some of you guys don't even realize that you can print out a packing slip and customize it, and you may not have to include something extra. So this is a great way to add a layer of customer service and customize your packing slip and throw it in there. So that is it, guys. Those are the 6, I know I said 5, 6 underutilized features. We've got the message templates, message auto reply, bulk edit was number 3, search analytics number 4, relevant keywords in Etsy ads number 5, and your packing slip customization was number 6. Hopefully that helps you guys out. If you're not using those, use those to your advantage. It'll save you a lot of time and help optimize your business. If you guys haven't already downloaded my Etsy SEO Revealed ebook, make sure you guys do that. It's a no-nonsense guide to help you take your Etsy SEO and business to the next level. Lots of tips, strategies, tactics you guys can implement in your business. You can get that at handmadeandbeyond.com/Etsy SEO success. Easy to read, free ebook there. But that's it for this episode, guys. I'll be back soon with another great episode for you. Have an amazing rest of your day and week.